What's up? I'm back with Gas or Trash Part 2. This one, I went with a $300 box. This is from a different dude. Supposedly, I guess he only sells Supreme. Not really sure what to expect in this pack. Gas or trash? About to find out though. A lot of these dudes I'm getting off eBay, they're actually having like good stuff. It's priority shipping. This came in, what, 3 days? I think I ordered it Wednesday night, so like Thursday morning, so about 2 days, 3 days, whatever. Like I said, $300 box. I'm telling you, I'm waiting to get this $500 sneaker box. I'm waiting on y'all as a community, or I might just be tempted to go ahead and buy it myself, cause y'all really playing. But I'm gonna give y'all another chance to get at y'all numbers. I don't really want to cut this little bag. I don't want to cut any other bag that's in here and rip the rest. Not the wood. We got it. It's just another Supreme bag. Okay. Another Supreme bag. This one's stuffed. Felt something else. Maybe it's inside this bag. Okay. What we looking like, community? What we looking like? We looking good. Please tell me we looking good. I hope we looking good. I don't know what size these are because I didn't send this dude YouTube sizes, so I might be selling some of this stuff. See what we got here. What's this? What is this? I have no idea. Like I said, I'm not with all the Supreme stuff. Oh, I'm probably gonna sell this because this is a small. It's a logo track jacket. See what it looks like. Like I said, I'm not with all the Supreme stuff, so I have no idea. Like, I'm not really any designer or any of that stuff. See what this looking like. This boy dope though. Look, DS. Dope. Ain't gonna cap. Nice little jacket, but I can't fit it. So let me know if you want it. I'm probably gonna sell it. That's item number one. See what else we got up in here. Got in here. Ooh wee. Let's see. Fuck you, T in a large. I don't know. I don't even know if this is. I don't know what's up. But I don't want to really pull it out the bag. Nah, might well. I said all this stuff dead stock, as y'all see. It's a large. Anybody wants this? Large. Oh, Supreme. Probably gonna sell that too though. That's dope though, I ain't gonna lie. Let's get into this next item. I don't wear no large. I ain't gonna lie, I'm an extra large. Let's see what else we got in here. Another T. What is this? Marvin Gaye T. What size? What size we looking like? Don't say what size it is. It's a large. A lot of this stuff I can't fit, but as y'all see, there's you know what I'm saying? Oh, I think this is the same shirt. I got the sticker for this shirt too. So let me know. It's probably not gonna wear it. Okay, what else we got in here? We got the Supreme Wild Cherry Throat Drops. I'm telling you, Supreme got a little bit of everything, man. And then, you know, of course, you got your stickers. Got some Supreme, what is it? Hey, these stickers look kind of dope. Some bottle cap stickers. And then, you know, just the regular old Supreme sticker. I think I got the fuck you Supreme sticker in here too. I can't really tell because this bottle cap sticker's in the way. But let me know if y'all rocking with this stuff. Let me know. $300, probably t-shirts, probably about maybe 80 bucks a tee, jacket probably about 100 bucks. So it came about probably about the same value as we put in. Probably not gonna sell this stuff for too much. Probably about $50 a tee, probably $100 for the jacket. You know, just make a little something. Make a little bit back what I got. These I'm probably gonna keep just cause. I mean, unless you want them, I mean, 10 bucks maybe, sell them. But yeah, this is pretty dope. I like doing this type of stuff. I mean, it kind of sucks that this stuff doesn't fit me because I need to start getting my clothing stuff up. But hey, what I can't fit could be your treasure right here. You can treasure this stuff. Maybe you wanted this, and when the drop came, you couldn't get it. All right. But that's it, YouTube. Much love to you guys. I'm out.